Welcome to BellyBreath. This chakra meditation is a simple yet powerful way to align your energy, calm your mind, and restore balance. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep, nourishing breath. Breathe in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Let go of any tension and allow yourself to settle into the present moment. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Imagine a warm red light glowing at your root chakra. With each inhale, feel this energy grounding you, bringing you stability and strength. Shift your focus just below your navel, where a vibrant orange light swirls at your sacral chakra. This is the center of your creativity and passion. With every breath, feel this energy awaken inspiration and joy within you. Moving up to your solar plexus, visualize a radiant yellow light shining brightly. This is your source of confidence and personal power. Breathe deeply, feeling a sense of empowerment growing inside you. Now, place your attention on your heart space. Where a soft green light radiates warmth and love. With each inhale, feel your heart open, inviting compassion, kindness, and deep connection with yourself and others. Bring your focus to your throat. Where a brilliant blue light glows at your throat chakra. This is the center of your voice and self-expression. Breathe in clarity and truth, allowing your words to flow freely and authentically. Now shift your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye chakra. Envision a deep indigo light illuminating your inner wisdom. With each breath, feel your intuition sharpening, guiding you toward greater insight and awareness. Finally, bring your attention to the crown of your head, where a soft, violet light radiates upward. This is your connection to the divine, to the limitless universe. Breathe deeply and feel a sense of peace and unity washing over you. Take a moment to simply be, to sit in this newfound balance, embracing the energy flowing through you. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling grounded yet refreshed. Open your eyes with gratitude, carrying this sense of harmony into the rest of your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your presence here is deeply appreciated.